Hi, I'm Jessica Skarzinski for Cure Magazine, your guide to every stage of the cancer experience. Here's a look at what's inside our 2019 breast cancer special issue. Most people who undergo mastectomy lose feeling in their chests. However, microsurgeons have found a way to restore sensation. Meet two women who are feeling like new. Next, from one to many. After 2 decades, patients with HER2-positive breast cancer have a plethora of new and emerging treatments instead of just a single agent. Our feature story explores these advancements. And survivors at risk of lymphedema are asked to follow a standard list of lifestyle adaptations, but some experts are bending the rules. Within the pages of this issue, we walk you through the steps that they're suggesting to avoid the side effect. To read these stories and more, visit curetoday.com/publications and click on the latest Cure cover. Or ensure you don't miss a story when you subscribe to new issue alerts. Visit curetoday.com/email-profile for more information.